In this video, we will be discussing how to use the Now function in Excel. The Now function in Excel is a straightforward tool for returning the current date and time. This function is particularly useful when you need to track the timing of events or maintain up-to-date timestamps. To manually input the Now function, follow these steps. Click into a cell and type =now. Open a set of parentheses. Close the parentheses to complete the function. By incorporating the Now function, you can automate the tracking of time-related information in your Excel sheets. If you are using the Now function as a date or timestamp, you can change the format of the function's resulting time and date. To change the format, navigate to the Number sections of the Home tab and select the drop-down. Take note that you can easily change to a date-only format, or you can select a time-only format. In addition, there are a variety of custom formatting options that can be used. Go through the custom formatting options to find the appropriate format. The function may not be as dynamic as you need it to be. The seconds do not continuously count. Triggers that will cause the function to recalculate are a change in any cell or by using a Calculate button. To find the Calculate button, navigate to the Formula tab. On the far right in the Calculation section, you can choose the Calculate Now button to refresh the formula. Let us now look at an example where the Now function can be used to measure the amount of time. I am setting a future date in a cell for Christmas. When we subtract the future date from the Now function, we can see how many days are left until the future date. As you can see, there are 43 days left before December 25th. If you want to check out another resource, you can find a link in the description that will take you to a TurboFuture article titled How to Use the Now function in Excel.